Raising chickens in your backyard can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience. Whether you're a seasoned poultry keeper or a novice looking to start your flock, selecting the right chicken breeds is crucial for success. The ideal chicken breeds for a backyard flock should be friendly, productive, and adaptable to various climates. In this article, we will explore some top picks for backyard chicken breeds, considering factors such as egg production, temperament, and suitability for different environments. So, buckle up chicken lovers, as we embark on a clucking good adventure. 1. Rhode Island Red, the reliable workhorse. Rhode Island Reds are an iconic choice for backyard flocks, known for their hardiness and excellent egg-laying capabilities. These medium to large-sized chickens have a striking dark red plumage and a friendly disposition. They adapt well to different climates and are known to be productive layers, providing a steady supply of brown eggs. Rhode Island Reds are low maintenance and make an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced poultry keepers. 2. OstrOPS, the Extra Special Layer. OstrOPS have a remarkable reputation for egg production and hold the world record for laying the most eggs in a year. Originating from Australia, these friendly and docile chickens are known for their glossy black feathers with a greenish sheen. Besides their prolific egg-laying capabilities, OstrOPS are also relatively calm and easy to handle, making them suitable for families with children. If a consistent supply of brown eggs is high on your priority list, OstrOPS are an excellent choice. 3. Sussex. Sussex chickens are a versatile breed that comes in various colors, including white, red, and speckled. Known for their gentle and friendly nature, Sussex chickens are great for families and beginners. They adapt well to free-ranging and confinement, making them suitable for various backyard setups. Sussex hens are good layers of large brown eggs, and their attractive appearance adds charm to any flock. The combination of their amiable temperament and productivity makes Sussex a top pick for backyard chicken enthusiasts. 4. Plymouth Rock, Barred Rock. Plymouth Rocks, often referred to as barred rocks, are known for their distinctive black and white striped plumage. These medium-sized chickens are not only visually appealing but also make excellent additions to backyard flocks. They are known for their consistent egg production, laying brown eggs with reliable frequency. Plymouth Rocks are also known for their calm and gentle demeanor, making them suitable for families and backyard enthusiasts alike. 5. Orpington, the Fluffy Cuddle Buddies. Orpingtons are large, friendly chickens that come in various colors, including black, blue, buff, and white. Known for their soft and fluffy feathers, Orpingtons are not just attractive but also make excellent pets. These chickens are cold-hardy and docile, making them a favorite among backyard flock keepers. While their egg production might not match some of the high-output breeds, the quality of their brown eggs and their charming personalities make them a popular choice for those seeking a delightful and picturesque backyard flock. 6. Leghorn, the Extraordinary Egg Layers. If high egg production is your primary goal, Leghorns might be the breed for you. Leghorns are medium-sized chickens known for their exceptional egg-laying abilities, and they come in various colors, including white and brown. While they may not be as docile as some other breeds, Leghorns are hardy, active, and efficient foragers. These chickens thrive in free-range environments, making them suitable for backyard setups with ample space. 7. Silkies, the Fluffy Bantam Royalty. Silkies are a unique and charming breed that stands out in any flock due to their distinct appearance. With their fluffy plumage, feathered feet, and distinctive blue skin, Silkies are often described as the lap dogs of the chicken world. While their egg production is not as high as some other breeds, Silkies make up for it with their friendly and gentle nature. They are excellent pets, especially for families with children, and their distinctive appearance adds a touch of whimsy to the backyard. 8. Wyandotte. Wyandottes are known for their laced plumage and distinctive rose combs. These medium to large-sized chickens come in various colors, including silver, gold, blue, and black. Wyandottes are cold-hardy, making them suitable for colder climates, and they adapt well to both free-range and confined spaces. They are good layers of brown eggs and have a calm and docile temperament, making them an ideal choice for backyard flocks seeking a balance between productivity and a friendly demeanor. 9. Easter Eggar. If you're looking for chickens that lay colorful eggs, Easter Eggars are a fascinating choice. These chickens come in a variety of colors and patterns, and they lay eggs in shades of blue, green, and sometimes pink. Easter Eggars are a crossbreed, often incorporating genetics from Americanas and Araucanas. They are known for their friendly nature and adaptability, making them a popular choice for backyard flocks seeking both colorful eggs and amiable personalities. 10. Brahma. Brahmas are large, majestic chickens with feathered feet and a calm demeanor. Despite their size, they are known to be gentle giants, making them suitable for families and children. Brahmas are cold-hardy and adapt well to various climates. While they may not be the most prolific egg layers, the quality of their brown eggs and their charming personalities make them a favorite among backyard flock keepers looking for a unique and impressive addition to their coop. And there you have it, fellow poultry enthusiasts. A guide to some of the top picks for ideal chicken breeds for your backyard flock. Whether you prioritize egg production, friendly companionship, or a bit of both, there's a chicken breed out there waiting to join your feathered family. Remember, choosing the right chickens is just the beginning of your clucky adventure. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll delve into the essential tips for coop building, ensuring your feathered friends have a stylish and secure abode. Get ready to feather your nest, because the clucktastic journey continues. So, grab your gardening gloves and chicken feed, it's time to turn your backyard into a bustling haven of feathers and fun.